Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you scan in notes on iPhone or iPad. So guys, to do this, at first just go to your notes. Now after going to your notes, just select a note, or you can just go to any notes to write it. Now after selecting the note, here you can see in the keypad there is a camera option, this one. After choosing the camera, here you can see there are some options. Choose photo, video, scan documents, take photo or video, and scan text. If you click on scan text, you can just scan any text from here, just like this. You can just click on insert, and you can just insert the whole text like this. And if you also click on this camera, and if you click on scan documents, you can do it like this. And here you can see, you can just keep this scan, or you can just retake it. So guys, that's how you can scan in notes on iPhone or iPad. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.